It was a rare August for a chili at the beach this year, but the tasters were ready to not just devour chili, but also to raise dollars toward the Huntington Beach International Surfing Museum.
We're stoked that the International Surf Museum is a benefactor of the chili cook-off. We've got everyone downtown. We've got Don Ramsey's VW buses all along Main Street. We've got all sorts of restaurants with their chili out front. I just tried the Duke's, that's a good one.
Yes, Duke's was here to defend their title as People's Choice winner.
We call them a five meat chili, some sausage, kalo pork, tri-tip, short ribs, and a ground beef.
And new this year, Bruno's and their recently menu-added chili.
Well, I think the secret ingredient is our tri-tip, the sauce and how we make it with the two different types of beans, as well as the spices that go into it. We smoke our tri-tip on site.
The longboard brought out their best for the faithful.
And if you sign up with us today, you get one $4 beer starting at $12.30.
Second floor, always here to support the Surfing Museum.
So we're second floor. This is our house chili. We serve every single day. We are second floor. We're on the corner of Main Street and Walnut. We've been here for 15 years. Cheers from second floor.
Chili experts came in all breeds, even the dog mascot kind.
Look, Matt, a chili dog.
But even the experts can fall victim to the curse of the whites.
Oh, God. He kept saying I was going to. Well, I was okay.
I knew she was going to do it. I knew it. It took 3 chilies, but...
You know, anything you can do to come out and be part of the food scene here in Huntington Beach, it's always a fun time.
Got some already, got some chili, and I'm telling you, Longboards is the one. Duke's is pretty good, but we still have to mosey on around to check it out.
But the chili influencers were found officially judging at Coach's.
Overscored it because this is the first one. But this one's very good. Big chunks of ham in it. Meat. Wonderful.
Those are beef.
That's beef?
I believe it was beef.
Whatever.
It's meat. It's meat. It's meat. It's good. This established my baseline, so we'll see. We got 3 more to go. This is number 1.
No comparison. So to pick a winner at this point, we have to wait and see all 4.
And he's prepared. Yeah. Like, as you see, the king is prepared.
These are little. I can eat these.
The entertainment, of course, made the day extra tasty with local favorite, the Ramsey Brothers Band.
For me, it's really, there's so many people I know, and they either come to the event, they see me on stage, or they came to the event because we're on stage. That's really what makes it happen for me. I love playing for my friends.
And the awards go to...
Third place is second floor, right over here. Second place is Bruno's Sports Bar and Grill. First place, picked by the 5 judges, is Duke's Huntington Beach. First place in People's Choice, where actually people who were tasting picked this first place. It's Duke's of Huntington Beach. So Duke's won first place in both categories.
Chili's still a fan favorite on Main Street, no matter what time of year. Brought to you by the Huntington Beach Downtown Business Improvement District, because it all tastes so good.
So good.